Good morning, investors and traders. In today's segment, we'll be talking about Ethereum's big upgrade. And of course, Bitcoin is also on the move and it has broken the 40K price level or reclaimed the 40K price level. What is next for Ethereum? How high it is going to go? And are we going to see the continuation of the upward trend for Bitcoin? That is what we're going to discuss. Remember, guys, to hit that subscribe button and make sure that if you like the content, also smash that button as well. Let me kindly go through this disclaimer and risk warnings, which are right in front of you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask me. And now I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform. Briefly about myself, I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and as an equity trader with Bank of America, currently providing services as a chief analyst for Evertrade. Now, what we have been looking at in terms of a Bitcoin, if we start with a Bitcoin price, is a rally. This particular rally, which started in July on the 19th of July, and after that we've seen this retracement. This particular retracement happened from our defined price levels, from our defined resistance levels, which we mentioned in the previous videos. But more importantly, what we really see now is the price reclaiming this 40,000 price level. That 40,000 price level is very, very important in terms of a price action. Now, why the price is moving higher? Because Ethereum had a massive upgrade in terms of its network, and I'll talk about that in terms of Ethereum in a bit. But right now we focus on Bitcoin. So the most important thing when it comes to Bitcoin is the three important moving averages: your 50, your 200, and your 100-day simple moving average. Now, clearly, we do not have the best bullish setup yet, because the best bullish setup is when this one is trading above anything else, and then this one trades above the 200 but below the 50-day simple moving average. That is the best bullish setup that we have. But nonetheless, we do have those bullish signals because now the price has moved above the 200-day simple moving average, 100-day simple moving average, which we all kind of wanted to see. Now, if you want to get involved in this price action, one opportunity for that particular price action could be placing your stop losses just below the 100-day simple moving average and taking that trade now and aiming for this particular price action to move to the upside. But the first resistance that you're going to see is going to be right around that 41 to 42,000 price level. So in terms of your risk to reward ratio, your current risk in terms of a price action is pretty much this one, and your current reward is over here, just slightly more than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But if you are taking this trade, you are not going to be aiming for this one. Over here, you must be aiming for much higher price level, or at least this 200-day simple moving average, which is around that 45,000 price level, to 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, meaning risking one and gaining at least two. Under the current circumstances, the reward will be 3 times greater than your risk. Or over here, this is more than 1-to-1, nearly 1.7 risk to reward ratio. So that is the situation that we'll be very much looking at. Now, in terms of Bitcoin price, in terms of Ethereum price, let me give you a little bit background in relation to this particular price action. This is something certainly very, very different in terms of the price action that we are seeing, because what we are seeing in terms of the price action is a price moving higher and reclaiming that 100-day simple moving average, what we are really looking at in terms of the price action really over here is the price moved above the 100-day simple moving average. So basically, just to give you a bit of a background on Ethereum prices, a massive network upgrade has happened, and that means more scalability, more predictability in terms of the fees, and that is pushing the price higher. Now, what we really see in terms of Ethereum's price action is the price has broken above this particular 100-day simple moving average, and now we are moving towards its resistance. The next resistance in terms of Ethereum's price action is really going to be right around that 29,000 price level, and only a break of this one is going to have the price action continuing its journey towards the next level of resistance, which is going to be that 3,500 sort of a price level, or that 34 between these particular zone. So if you are looking to trade this particular setup, then you may want to wait for the price to break above that 3,000 price level, or at least break above these particular price levels. But remember, the moment the price is going to break above that, the 3,000 psychological price level is pretty strong to really look at. In terms of the bullish setup, we are seeing that the 50-day simple moving average is once again turning above the 200-day simple moving average. But the best bullish setup once again is going to be when you have your 50-day simple moving average over here, and then your 100-day, and then finally your 200-day. So we already have 100 trading above the 200, but we need the 50 trading above these two moving average. That would be the best bullish setup. So in terms of immediate resistance, it is your 3,000 sort of a price level that we are very much focused on, and that is the one that we are very much looking at in terms of the price action. So we will continue to monitor the price action, and in terms of your support zone, we wanted to look at these particular price level. We wanted to see the price, if it comes back into between that 25 sort of a price level, 2,500 sort of a price level to 2,400 price level. This will be your support zone, and then this is your resistance, immediate resistance. So the opportunity is only going to be coming if the price comes over here, or when the price breaks above that 3,000 price level. Remember to smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, same place. Thank you.